I'm sorry. I just cannot hear you. I cannot hear you over this. Oh, she popped off. She popped off! Bethan, why is your forehead red, though? Because I get it threaded. Because I get my forehead threaded because I have peach fuzz. Okay? Anyway. But the brows are the drama. Are you kidding me? A little cleanup for my morning? Yeah. Where are we going? Oh, where are we going? You thought I was staying inside with my brows looking like this. Baby, we're outside. I'm walking in stores I've never been in before. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm showing off. I'm popping off.